RedMagic Magnetic Cooler 6 Pro with 30 watts cooling, modular design, and wireless charging. Nubia has launched the RedMagic Magnetic Cooler 6 Pro, a high-performance gaming accessory designed to prevent overheating. The RedMagic Magnetic Cooler 6 Pro features an innovative modular design, allowing users to attach it via a 4N magnetic module for compatible devices or a clip-on module for non-magnetic phones. It comes with a powerful 30 watts cooling system that delivers rapid heat dissipation. Under optimal conditions, it reduces device temperatures by up to 41 degrees Celsius, with a minimum cooling temperature reaching -16 degrees Celsius. The cooler equips a 4.7mm thick high-density thermoelectric cooling TEC plate, which is 34% larger than conventional TECs, boosting cooling efficiency by 17%. Its graphene-infused aluminum heatsink improves thermal conductivity by 54%, while a dual-layer composite thermal silicone pad enhances heat transfer while ensuring a scratch-free attachment. The cooler sports a 40 by 15mm 7-blade fan, increasing airflow by 20% and improving cooling efficiency by 15%. Its aerodynamic 3D air duct design minimizes noise and enhances airflow without causing discomfort. Despite its strong performance, it operates quietly at just 35 dB for an immersive gaming experience. To prevent condensation and overheating, the device integrates an NTC sensor that monitors real-time temperatures and dynamically adjusts the fan speed and power output. It supports 3 cooling modes: smart temperature control, overclocking mode, and manual adjustment, allowing users to customize their cooling experience based on their needs. The cooler supports both wireless and wired charging modules. It comes with multiple modular attachments, including a magnetic cooling clip, a clamp-style attachment, a live streaming cooling module, a wireless charging module, and a portable power bank. Each module serves a specific function and is available separately. The Cooler 6 Pro features dual Type-C ports with PD fast charging and is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It also sports RGB lighting effects, app-based controls, and a compact, lightweight design for easy portability. The base model is priced at $33, while a bundle including a wireless charging cooling plate costs $51. It is available in a silver-white color option. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.